the current football administrators near one prove it to us that they don't have the competence to appoint a proper coach for Ghana. So the conversation for me should not even be about who becomes our next coach. Who should appoint our next coach, for me, is the most critical point as yet to be established.
What do you think?
My dream say Utadono. The into Timbinya Ghana Juma enye because he was competent. It was because the appointing authority was rather incompetent. One more do jam so mo fa coach man, mo ni madwuma ntino. Omo fa obi a oni madwuma. And it will be too costly for us to repeat that mistake. Before Papa tina se kan nyina penny with the greatest of respect to him. Wan kanya sasemba akokora.
Oh, sir.
I'm being very charitable to the GFA president. I'm being charitable. The truth of the matter is he did not make sense. And for the first time, if you observe the interview here, as a cater, or for a Jones off in a fruit so, and I feel a Ghana for now, I don't know the national team belongs to all of us, and yet they are them out there. Ketokreku is a pro on him, and I knew the obey, and I was on my catcher say, I didn't idea, it's yen and yen home. And you idea, and you know by home. Black Stars watching us only the competence or the appointed coach at the Yamae, and we must, as a people, as a nation, stop him. We are crying in our minds. We know the kind of coach we are looking for. He should be a proving winner. He should have won trophies. Yes, I allow Ketokreku or appointed coach may be him. Now, Ketokreku only go for a competence man. You are at the first time of the penny. And you probably trust your draw more criteria. Obi adwuma o mo ntima from criteria. And you be the man. Bianca, a buy the mom was a monfa coach or Zawi. Nanko Maka say or more nyabi. They themselves and a developing or more roadmap. And on the criteria, when you coach buy. And I'm supposed to mention your criteria. They don't deserve to appoint our next coach for us. They don't deserve to appoint our next coach for us. That is a point I will make today. That is a point I will make tomorrow. That is the point I will make the next day. So we need to address that. And so because he will once again exhibit his incompetence as far as the appointment of a coach is concerned.